How to turn off the Facebook daily time limit on Android. This tutorial shows you how to remove the time limit and use Facebook without restrictions. First, open the Facebook app on your Android device. After that, tap on your profile at the top right of the screen and the menu on the top left. From there, scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. At this point, tap on Your Time, Management on Facebook. In the next step, tap on Daily Limit to open the time limit settings. At this stage, you'll see options to adjust the time. Select Off to remove the restriction completely. Following this, tap on Save to confirm your changes. Once done, the daily time limit will be removed and you'll be able to use Facebook without any time restrictions. From here, if the time limit keeps coming back on its own, it may be set through your Android device settings instead. Open your Android settings. Scroll down and tap on Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls. From there, look for the App Timer option and tap on it. From there, tap on Facebook to remove the time limit from your device settings as well. Here's an important note. If your device is under parental controls, the time limit may have been set by a parent or guardian. In that case, you'll need their permission and passcode to remove it. Finally, once both the in-app and device time limits are removed, you should be able to use Facebook freely without any interruptions. And that's it. If this guide helped you turn off the Facebook daily time limit, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.